how to set video notifications on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, on the upper right side on your screen, you can see here the gear icon. Okay, you can tap this. Okay, here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the notifications. Okay, you can tap the notifications. In notifications, and what notification you receive, below of this, okay, you can see here the video. Okay, to set the video notification, okay, you'll have to stop the video. And now you can allow or disallow the video notification. To allow the notification on Facebook, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if you want to disallow, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And tap the turn off button on the pop-up below to disallow or turn off the video notification on Facebook. And if you want to turn on again, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this turn on, you can set also the where you receive this notification, the push, email, and SMS. So you can turn on or off these settings. So for my example, I turn off the push and I turn on the email and I turn off the SMS. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the video notification on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.